First catch of 2020.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are doing some solo truck camping out in Lake Mead. We rushed out over here right after work got out. Sunset nowadays is about 5:30, so I just wanted to do a quick little overnighter and hang out for the night, you know, have a little fire. We're actually going to be doing some cooking right on the fire tonight, which is going to be awesome. We're going to do some surf and turf, so stay tuned for that. So you guys may recognize this spot from 2 videos ago where we were checking out 8 Mile Road. So I'm at one of the same coves that I was at, right on the water. There is like no wind right now, so it is perfect out. I'm on my own tonight, but I do have Riho. Say hi, Wio. All right, if I let you out, you're not gonna get wet, right? We don't need no wet dog. Okay. So yeah, this is golden hour right now, guys. Holy crap, it is nice out. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the tent all set up and get camp set up while we still got some daylight. This is what I got packed for the night. Again, it's a quick little trip, so all I really got is some shoes. We got some wood for the night. Got the chair. I got my dry food storage bin. Got the camping bin. Got the truck towed in the back, and then just got some water. And then I did bring my extra stove just in case. You just never know, and really that's it. I also got the Dometic in here, charging off of the Goal Zero Yeti 400. Got Riho right there. Actually, what I need in my life. Oh yeah, flavor of the night. We will start the night with this. Cheers, guys. Oh man, look at this sunset. I love nights like this. Ooh, there was a big fish that jumped over there. I did bring my fishing pole today. I lost my main tackle box though, so I don't know. I don't really have that much tackle on me, so we're gonna just throw a couple lines out maybe in the morning. It's the beginning of March and I'm outside in a t-shirt. This is wild. Right now in Alaska, it would be real cold, real snowy, and I definitely wouldn't be doing this. So this is one of the reasons why we moved out here, just to extend our summer months. Guys, something that I really have not been liking about this Smitty built tent is I think I mentioned this in a previous video, but essentially there's only 4 screws that connect the tent to the actual crossbars. There's actually a little track down here that connects to the crossbars, but to connect to those crossbars you only have 4 screws. And so what ends up happening whenever you do a lot of off-roading is the screws come off, so now your tent is literally just not attached. I don't know if you guys can see that, but all 3. So I gotta go screw that in real quick. All right, so I finally got it all screwed back in. I also tightened this bolt as well. I'm gonna tighten those other 2 over there, but the Skeletal coming in for the win. I always take this with me camping. This is like my everyday camp carry, but you know, what can you do? This was an $850 rooftop tent, which I don't even think there's any other rooftop tents that are in this price range. But yeah, so you have these tracks right here that actually hold the tent to the crossbars. And there's literally only 4 screws that keep the tent attached to these crossbars, which is kind of crazy. Maybe I might try and drill another hole and at least add 2 more screws or something, maybe like it towards the middle. Because that bumping and hitting dirt roads and stuff, it just totally kills it just wiggles all the screws loose. So I've been having to check maybe every other dirt run that we do. I always check and just make sure that the screws are all tight inside the tent, but it is what it is. Something new that's coming up though, I am actually going to be upgrading Go Fast Camper, and essentially a wedge tent on the top, and it has enclosed sides inside the truck bed. So essentially if the weather's all crappy, you can hang out inside the truck bed. So that's coming in June, so you guys better stay tuned for that. I have actually never seen a Nissan Frontier with a Go Fast camper on it. The only time I've seen Go Fast campers, it's usually on like Tacomas or mainly Tacomas. The accessory market for the Nissan Frontiers is quite sad. So I'm excited to get some content out there for you Nissan Frontier owners. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's coyotes howling. Rio's about to get recruited. They're like coyote fighting over there. All right, guys, doing some surf and turf tonight. We getting fancy. Got some shrimp. We got some onions in here with some asparagus, Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna be making like a garlic sauce for the shrimp. Oh man, guys, this is smelling so good. So essentially I'm just gonna be cooking it for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, and then I'm gonna take it off, and then we're gonna go start cooking the shrimp. But I scooted the fire over. I did put a couple smaller sticks up top so it keeps the light. Oh my goodness. I actually don't really have like a grill like top, so this is actually one of those little wire mesh things that came with the Tembo Tusk. So hey, you know what? Dual purpose. All right, just getting my coals all set up for the cast iron. So about a tablespoon of butter. I only have like 6 shrimps, so that's why. But essentially we're just gonna butter this up. So there it is. We'll just leave that in there for about 3 minutes. So the next thing we're going to do is going to cook our asparagus, and I'm just going to grab a couple here. I don't need that many. That's probably good. And then I got some onions, and I got some whipping cream, so I'm going to make like a sauce for the shrimp. Salt and pepper. So I added some onions and some garlic to it. Cook this up for a little bit. So I'm just going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream, creating like this little sauce mixture. Just going to let that cook for a second, for a little bit, and then I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese into it. Oh yeah, this looks amazing. Oh my gosh, that is perfection. Rio's getting some steak too, because I forgot her dog food. Whoops. They're coming for us. Rio's makeshift dog food. Rio's feasting. Easy. Okay. So I totally have no chocolate. I have graham crackers and marshmallows. Good morning, guys. So we are up with the sun this morning, and it's getting the GoPro all set up for the sunrise. And I was like, well, I'm seeing a lot of fish jump right now. I might as well put a line out. Third cast out. I got this guy. This guy's still kind of alive. Third cast out, and I ended up getting this guy, which is freaking awesome. I honestly didn't even expect to catch, honestly. I don't even have my fillet knife. I literally brought my pole, and I already had a Bassmaster jig on there, so. Oh, it's cold though. Sun's coming up. But yeah, not too bad. First actual decent sized bass. I've caught bass before, but they were all really tiny, so pretty sweet. This is an awesome little area, so I'm gonna keep throwing a couple more casts out, see what we can't get, and yeah, we'll go make coffee and make some breakfast. I should have woken up a little bit earlier, because there were a ton of fish jumping right before the sun came up. I really just didn't think there was going to be any fish out, because it's still kind of cold, but that's pretty awesome. I'm glad I got that one. If you guys have any recommendations for cooking bass, let me know. Comment down below. What do you normally make with bass? I don't know. Most of my life I've fished in Alaska, so our fishing is salmon and, you know, deep sea fishing like halibut, rockfish, stuff like that. But yeah, no, that's pretty sweet. I'm glad I caught that one, and it's actually a decent size. What an awesome spot. That's where I'm camped, and this is where I'm fishing this morning. Oh, what a life. Alright guys, so I got the fillets all filleted up. Pretty decent sized actually. Not bad. I've never filleted a full bass, but I'd say I didn't do too bad. Pretty good. Yeah, let's get this bagged up. I might just turn this into a sandwich later. Do a little fish sandwich. This is like perfect for a meal or two. Me and Rio are just taking a little walk around the camp area. Oh, such a cool spot. Definitely one of my favorites now that I've caught some fish right off the shore here. Me and Rio just got done doing a little walked around camp a little bit. I am excited to come back here later, especially to do some more fishing, you know, either late at night or early morning. But I got some work to do this morning. We're gonna head back home. Just had my coffee, and we'll probably make breakfast later. Let's go get camp all packed up, and let's get back on the road. Well, thank you guys for watching. That concludes the video. If you guys like more videos like this, definitely check out the channel. I do a new video every week on pretty much anything outdoors, camping, hiking, fishing, and, you know, truck camping adventures like this one. So this was a lot of fun. I am glad I came out for the night. It was just another quick overnight trip. I haven't done that yet out here, but I've done that, you know, in Alaska when we were out there. This is the first time I've done a little solo trip out, and I'd say it's pretty damn successful. Cooking on the fire was amazing. Food just tastes different outside, and catching my first sizable bass is also pretty cool. So that was great. I'm definitely going to be coming back, doing more fishing now that the season's really starting to pick up. So again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. If you guys have any good bass recipes, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm gonna do something with the bass I caught today. Who knows, I'll probably just turn it into a fish sandwich or something. But yeah, if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. My name's Caden. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks.